Did you find your toes? Yeah, there they are. Hello, toes. Have you figured out yet how to get them into your mouth? Yeah, that's close. What nice little toes they are, too. Alright, time for bed. Night-night, Snuggle Monster. Night-night, toes.